Chapter 2, Element Compound Mixture. In this chapter we are going to learn element, compound, types of element, symbols. First 20 elements. We'll learn about some molecules, atoms, electrons, protons, neutrons in a brief. Then we'll see the properties of element and compound. Every substance around us are made up of atoms. So in your previous class we have studied that substances are made up of molecules and the molecules are made up of atoms. Then now we'll see atoms are made up of three subatomic trio, that is electron, proton and neutron. So this is the basic atom structure. In the basic atom structure we see that these two free are electrons, and in the nucleus there is a center which is called the nucleus of the atom. It has two particles, that is proton and neutron. So the electron has a negative charge, the proton has a positive charge, and the neutron is neutral, means it has no charge. Substances are classified into two: pure substance and impure substance. In pure substance we have two categories: elements and compounds. What are elements? Elements is a pure substance made up of identical atoms. Example, iron and copper. And what is compound? Compound is a pure substance made up of two or more elements. Example, carbon dioxide. Let us see what is an element. Element is a pure substance made up of identical atoms only. Example, iron, copper and silicon. Now what do you mean by identical atoms? Identical atoms basically means same kind of atoms. Suppose if there is an iron atom, it will have only the iron atoms, none other than iron atoms. Now we'll see classifications of elements. Elements are classified into four categories: metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. Noble gases are also said as inert gases. Now what is metal? Metals are the elements which has a shiny luster, hard in nature, malleable and ductile. What is shiny luster? Means it has a shine on the surface. They are hard and malleable, means beaten into sheets, and ductile means stretched to make a wire. Metals are the good conductor of heat and electricity, means they can transmit electricity and heat from one point to the other. Example, iron, copper, gold, silver, etc. Non-metals. Non-metals are opposite of metals, means they are dull in luster, soft in nature, non-malleable, non-ductile and are the bad conductor of heat and electricity. Means non-malleable means it cannot be beaten into sheets, and they are non-ductile means it cannot be made into a wire. They are the bad conductor of heat and electricity, means they do not transmit any electricity from one point to the other. Metalloids are the element which shows both the properties of metals and non-metal. Example, antimony and bismuth. Inert gases or noble gases. Noble gases are the element that does not react chemically with any element. Example, helium, argon.